We start with the given absolute value equation. Before solving, the denominator must be non-zero. This restriction must stay with the problem, even after we clear the denominator. Multiply both sides by 2 times the denominator. This is valid because the denominator is not 0 in the domain. Since 2 is positive, multiplying an absolute value by 2 is the same as multiplying the inside by 2. For equal absolute values, the inside expressions can be equal. Subtract x from both sides and add 2. This gives the first candidate, x equals 0. The inside expressions can also be opposites. A common mistake is to forget this second case. Now distribute the negative sign across the parentheses. Add x to both sides and add 2 to both sides. Dividing by 3 gives the second candidate. The first candidate does not violate the original restriction. The second candidate also does not violate the original restriction. Both candidates satisfy the original equation, so they are both solutions. And we keep the original restriction, x cannot equal 2